Are you trying to transition from Groovy to Kotlin for your Android project but feeling stuck? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into how to replace Groovy's XmlSlurper and MarkupBuilder with Kotlin alternatives. I totally get it. Switching languages can be a challenge, especially when you encounter roadblocks like missing libraries. Many developers have faced this exact issue when moving to Kotlin, and it can be frustrating. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, what can I use in Kotlin to replace Groovy's XmlSlurper and MarkupBuilder in my Gradle build scripts? If you found yourself in a similar situation, stick around as we explore some solutions. So what exactly are XmlSlurper and MarkupBuilder? XmlSlurper is used for parsing XML, while MarkupBuilder helps in creating XML documents. Understanding their roles will help us find suitable Kotlin replacements. And don't go anywhere. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of how to handle XML in Kotlin, plus a bonus tip that will make your coding life easier. To replace XmlSlurper and MarkupBuilder in Kotlin, the user can utilize the Kotlin XML library called Kotlin X.serialization. This library allows for easy parsing and building of XML documents. First, the user should add the Kotlin X.serialization library to their Gradle build file. This can be done by including the necessary dependencies in the build.gradle file. Next, the user can parse the XML file using the Kotlin X.serialization library. They will need to define a data class that represents the structure of the XML data. Now, the user can read the XML file and deserialize it into the data class. This will allow them to access the XML data in a structured way. Finally, to build the XML output, the user can use the same Kotlin X.serialization library to serialize the data back into XML format, creating the desired output file. Fun fact: Kotlin was designed to be fully interoperable with Java, which means you can leverage Java libraries for XML processing too. So if you're ever in doubt, check out the Java ecosystem. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. For replacing MarkupBuilder, the user suggests using the with Groovy Builder method. This allows you to build the environment structure easily. You can start by declaring the XML version and encoding, then use with Groovy Builder to define the environment. The user also mentions that iterating over entries from XmlSlurper might be challenging. They suggest considering a switch to JSON or HOCON for configuration storage, as these formats are easier to read and write. Here's that bonus tip I promised. Always keep your libraries updated. This ensures you have the latest features and security patches, making your development smoother and safer. And there you have it. You've now got the tools to replace Groovy's XmlSlurper and MarkupBuilder with Kotlin alternatives. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on your coding journey.